Hi everyone, my name is Ruchin and I welcome you to Your PD Education. So I have come up with an opportunity for all those people who are looking for a PhD abroad. So basically this is an opportunity for any kind of engineer. आपका M.Tech या B.Tech जिस भी डिपार्टमेंट में हुआ है उसमें you are eligible since this is a PhD. So it is in University of Stuttgart and it is going to be graduate school in simulation technology. The new technologies that we are using for simulation purpose, whether it can be your VR or any other thing, virtual reality, something else, we are using simulations and modeling tools in everywhere, every field, whether it is your civil, mechanical, electrical, it is applicable in everywhere. So University of Stuttgart has launched this program for PhD. It is a 6-semester program, and best thing about this is it is open throughout the year. You can apply it anywhere, anytime. Okay, there is no application deadline, plus there is some tuition fee which is actually varied, some variable tuition fee is there. So as I told you, this is going to be a simulation program. So in simulation every kind of engineer is eligible. Let's talk about what are the course details. So you can go through this course detail and all. There is nothing very much specific to talk about. You can just go through this. Then we have costs and funding. Yes, tuition fee per semester. Yes, there is some tuition fee. Other than this, you also have funding opportunity. Funding opportunities, but to get the funding opportunity, you need to meet some criteria. Okay, वो criteria is required. If you meet those criteria, then only you will get some funding opportunity. Okay. Academic requirement is a university degree is mandatory, whether a diploma or a master's degree required. In exceptional cases, a bachelor's degree may also be accepted. That means even if you have completed your B.Tech and you are highly motivated to pursue this course, you are eligible. You might get accepted. Else, there is nothing else mentioned like you need to be of civil engineering or electrical or mechanical, instrumentation, nothing. Okay. Important thing is English is mandatory and German is going to be an advantage. So it's better if you get used to some few words in German, some basic level, A level German, if you learn, that is good. Okay. There is no application deadline. To submit application, you need to send your this format which you will get from here, or you can just mail it over here. So else other than this, if you see services, you won't find anything new. Okay, so University of Stuttgart in Germany is offering this PhD programs for many kind of engineers. So if you are interested in going to this university, if you are planning to this, you can reach out to us. We'll help you guys and to attain this university and all. So if I find any other opportunity, I'll get back to you. Till then, take care. Bye bye.